Okay, so we're filming this today at the Lookout in Ilminster. Now this is the first project I've done where I didn't have a battle with finance. I had the money there to get on with the work straight away. This was an absolutely huge relief and made such a difference. So the reason I'm sharing this with you is to help you see that this is a place you can get to, even if you're struggling at the moment. Now, I'm not qualified or insured to talk about finance specifically, so therefore I'm a little bit limited with what I can say from a legal standpoint. One piece of information I can give you that's really helped me over the years is ensuring you have a really good credit rating. If you haven't already, then it's worth putting the time and effort in now to build it up. There's lots of websites out there, things like Experian and places like that, which will actually give you a step-by-step guide of how to build up a good credit rating. Things like using credit cards, making sure you pay them off, that sort of thing. Because this stuff makes a massive difference when you start going out for finance or mortgages or whatever. As with anything, it's about having the right people on board. With Otterhead House, at the latter stages, when I was trying to get finance to pay off all the bits of debt I had here, there and everywhere, I went through 6 different brokers. Now, each of these was looking at the whole market and it was an absolute battle. It was very much soul destroying at times. But I kept going and I persevered. So if you're struggling with finance, the main thing I can suggest is to constantly keep thinking outside the box. Think of different options. Just because a mortgage doesn't work, try and look for something else. Because generally, there is always a solution out there.